OpenClaw is free on Replit. So as you can see, I'm running OpenClaw right inside Replit, and I'm going to chat it for you to see. So I'm going to say, hi, are you there? And over here, after just typing it, I'm simply going to click on the send. And after sending it, as you can see, OpenClaw has successfully responded, and it is saying that it just came online. Okay, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so beside you chatting it right inside the Replit, you can chat it in a web view. So over here, you can come in and click on view tab, and then it will open the web view just like this. So I'm simply going to continue the chat, and I'm going to ask it to help me to build my first app. Okay, so just like this. So after typing it, I'm simply going to click on the send, and you will see that OpenClaw has successfully also responded. Okay, and all this is completely free, and I'm running it completely free with free hosting and free API key right inside Replit. So when you come here to Replit, let me click on it for you to see. So I'm going to go to the home, and this is the home page of Replit. Okay, so from here you see that I have the projects here. Let me click on it for you to see. Okay, and among the projects is the OpenClaw project that I have just built. Okay, so I'm simply going to click on it, and I'm hosting it for completely free. Okay, I'm not paying any money for hosting or API key. It is completely free. Okay, and I have a full video on how to install it right inside the video description. Okay, so let's just look down there, click on the video, and then watch how to get it. Okay, and I'll see you right there.